Let's do a rapid fire through some fun features you'll find when scheduling posts. We'll start at the top of your composer and then work down. If you'd like to organize your post into categories such as for events, campaigns, or types of content, you can use tags. From your Analyze tab, you'll be able to see how certain categories of posts are performing over others. Channel groups is up next. If you tend to schedule to the same groups of channels for certain types of posts, you'll want to configure your channel groups in your account settings for easy access. You can also mention pages or profiles in your posts by using the @ button and filling in the appropriate handle. Some channels will auto-complete the handle for you like this. For the ones that don't, just ensure you have the correct handle. It'll hyperlink for you once it publishes to the platform. Okay, let's talk about carousel posts. Every channel allows for at least 4 images to be attached, except Pinterest, Google Business Profiles, and of course YouTube. One thing to note is that if I add several images to the composer, once I click Customize for each network, the number of images will reset to the number that social channel allows. For instance, if I add 10 images to my post, they'll stick for Threads, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, but LinkedIn will only keep 9, and Mastodon, Blue Sky, and X will retain only 4. Sticking here with images, alt text is important to increase the accessibility of your content. You can add alt text on images for all networks except TikTok and Google Business Profiles. Next, you can access your hashtag manager from the hashmark button. This feature allows you to group hashtags into categories and add them to your future posts with one click. Now let's explore shortened links. If you find a link shortened and you want to present it as full, you can click the link button at the bottom of your composer. Visit your channel settings to opt out or in to having your links shortened. As a quick note, link shortening isn't available for Pinterest, and it's actively discouraged by Mastodon and Instagram. The AI assistant is here at your beck and call whenever you need a pal to help you craft a post from an idea or edit a post you want to zhuzh up a little bit. And if you have a longer thought, use the threaded post feature to split your post into several replies. Threaded posts are available for X, Threads, Mastodon, and Blue Sky. And lastly, Buffer auto-generates a live preview of how your post will look per network, so you can have peace of mind that it'll come out just as you expect. And that's it. You're fully equipped to head out and craft your content with all of these rich features at your fingertips. Happy buffering. If you need help at any time, click on the question mark in the lower right-hand corner of your dashboard or from the Help Center.